In this video, I want to show you how to stop seeing suggested content on Instagram for 30 days. Take for instance, all this content on my For You page right now is suggested. All right, you see suggested for you. If you click, you are going to see at the top here suggested for me. So if I don't want to see this, even if I click on my explore, you see they say that they show a lot of this content I don't want to see. All of that is suggested for me. So if I want to stop receiving that, this is what I will do. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So go to your settings and privacy, and you scroll down to where you have suggested content. And since you want to stop receiving this suggested content for 30 days, just click on snooze it. So when you turn on this button, Instagram is going to stop sending you suggested content for a period of 30 days. So you're not going to see it any longer on your feed. So if you find this video helpful, you see, I don't have any suggested content anymore. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.